Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to share a file from Google Drive. Now, in today's video, I'm going to assume you already have a Google account, you already have logged into Google Drive, you have created a file on Google Drive. Otherwise, why would you want to share a file from Google Drive? So, how to share a file from Google Drive right now. Log into your Google account, go to drive.google.com, go to whatever folder you have that file in and find the folder you want to share. Here we go.
We are now here in Google Drive. I have navigated in my folders down to this particular folder, and I have this book list from 2018 that I'd like to share with somebody. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. This book list is something that I started in a Google Docs spreadsheet and have since moved over to a database. If you want to share a file in Google Drive, just find the listing in your folders, come over to the three-dot icon, drop it down, and you can click on the share link in the drop-down menu. This will bring up a modal window where you can put in the address of somebody you want to share it with. I'm going to put in george@bogus.net. That's not a real address, and if I hit enter, it now will let me put in another address here if I want. And all of the people that I put in this box, right now they will have this role, which is editor. Let's say I just want them to be a viewer. I don't want them to be able to edit it. I can do that. If they are not on Google, if it's not a Gmail address, then you have to have this notify box checked. For example, if I uncheck that and I click share, I get a notice that says I need to click the notify me button, notify people button. And at that point, you can then send it, and Google will send these email addresses the link. I don't prefer to do it that way. I prefer to share by doing copy link like that. The link is copied, and now I go over to an email I'm writing to that person, and I have their address here, and I can say, here is my reading list. You don't want to put nothing but a link in an email because that's a favorite tactic of spammers. And I just Control-V paste the link, and that is the link to that particular document. And it is a viewing only link. And then you go ahead and you can send it. And the person will then get the link. I prefer to do it that way because I don't like to give out other people's email addresses to any entity that might collect them. And I don't know that Google does, but I just don't want to take that chance. Another way to share it, let's go ahead and click anywhere off of the white area and that dialog will go away. You can open the document. I'm going to double click it. And now the document is open. And you click up here on the share button and you get that exact same dialog that you had before. And that's how you share a file in Google Drive.
And there you have it. Now, two of the reasons that I really like Google Drive are, number one, if you share it with somebody and give them edit access, you can both edit that file at the same time. And it's really fun too because you can actually see where they are editing while they are editing it. It's a really fun thing to do if you do it online right there on Google Drive. The other thing I like about Google Drive is that the documents you create there can be embedded on a web page. And this is something really neat if you want to put up a file, say a list of your club members, and put it on a restricted web page. You can keep that file right there in Google Drive and Google Docs, and it will update as on the web page as soon as you update it in Google Docs. Now, I'm going to have a future video with more details about the various cloud sharing services and the pros and cons of each of the major three. But in the meantime, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up to let me know that you like the video and to let the YouTube robots know that they need to recommend it to other people. And if you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead right now and click that subscribe button and the bell icon. YouTube will let you know whenever I post another video right here on David's Tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Take care, everybody. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and We'll see you in the next video.